Okay, everyone, we continue with the page 3. So click the new page. After that, rename the page 3. Okay, so my performance. Yeah, the title is my performance. Okay, and we're going to create something like this. You see, yeah. So we have the multi-row card. After that, the slicer, and then cluster bar chart and cluster column chart. Okay, so the layout is like this: the slicer, multi-row card, and then the cluster bar chart, cluster column chart. Okay. Okay, so we start with the creating page already, then create the slicer. To simulate the performance of the row level security filters, drag the salesperson performance salesperson field to the page level filter. Okay, so this is page level filter. So drag the salesperson performance after that the salesperson, add to the filters on this page. Okay, then click collapse. Yeah. Okay, select the Michael Blight. Yeah, Michael Blight. Wait, where is Michael Blight? Okay, here you go. Yeah, already selected as a filter in the my performance page, and then add drop down slicer based on the date year. Okay, so here I click the slicer and then make it smaller. Okay, actually the font should be okay. Yeah. Then after that, change the drop down slicer. Yeah, drop down slicer. Okay, so change the style. This one in the format. Yeah. Okay, we have not added there. One moment. So date year. Okay, so we have this FY, and you're going to configure the format, slicer setting, and then after that drop down this. Yeah. Okay, so fix already. Okay, after that in the slicer, set the page to filter FY 2019. Okay, yeah, done already. Add the multi-row card visual and then resize and reposition so it is sits to the right of the slicer and fill the remaining width of the page. Okay, so multi-row card is this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then add the following 4 fields to the visual: sales, target. Yeah, okay. So let's open the sales. Okay, sales, target. Yeah, target. Okay, then after that, targets variance. Then the targets variance margin. Okay, yeah, so we have 4. sum of sales, targets variance, targets variance margin. Okay, and then we're going to format the visual. In the call out value group, increase the text size property to 28. Okay, so this one is here, yeah. Then after that, yep. So text size, yeah, to 28 point. Okay, so the instruction is the in the call out the value, you change the font to the 28. So where is the call out the value? You can find here. After that, click the format, yeah, then call out value. So this change to the 28 point. Enter. Okay, yeah. So now better. After that, add the cluster bar chart. Yeah, cluster bar chart. Bar chart is this cluster bar chart. So you have to click somewhere in the white area. Okay, this is cluster bar chart. Okay, in the cluster bar chart, the visual resize position, so beneath the multi-row cut visual and fill the remaining height of the page. Okay, you can make it like this. This one also, the multi-row cut. Okay, so we're going to configure. The following field to the visual wells area. Okay, I think this one is y-axis is a date month. Okay, and then x is sales and target. Okay, then after that, one more is a target. Okay, so target you put here in the below the x-axis. Okay, so adjust the size. We're going to add one more date month. Yeah, so let's just verify. The y-axis is the date month. Yeah, and then x-axis sales target. Sales and then target. Okay, good. Yeah, so now we're going to create a second visual, yeah, by doing the copy paste, yeah, Control C, after that Control V. So then adjust the size side by side, yeah. Modify visualization type in the visualization pane, select the cluster column chart. Yeah, so here cluster column chart is this one, cluster column chart. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to modify cluster column chart. Okay, so just like this. This is the bar chart. This is column chart. Yeah, all the remaining settings are the same. it is now possible to see the same data expressed by the two different visualization. Yeah, same data, two different chart. Okay, never mind, let's continue. Okay, the design of the final page is complete, so click save here, the save button. Okay, and then after that, let's see the yep, I stop first here.